You're watching Good Business San Diego.
Welcome back. The following is brought to you by Semper Solaris. They are a company that has earned a solid reputation and some very positive reviews for saving customers on energy costs, fast, reliable service, and quality installations of solar and battery systems. Now, Semper Home offers more ways to save by making your residence more energy efficient. Logan Bearer, sales director at Semper Solaris, he's here with more details today. Logan, welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
Good to have you in. Okay, so you guys say Semper can't be beat. So what does that mean to the homeowner that's watching?
Well, if you're looking at the overall package of what we do, the quality of the work, quality of the equipment, quality of the service, and the company, longevity, everything like that. When you look at that overall package and we're still giving a really good price, that's why we can't be beat. You're getting the full package at the best price.
Well, you're also getting all of that experience with the installers and the fact that you guys have done this for so many years. I know that you're really fast in terms of the installations too. So it all comes together with Semper Solaris, right?
Yeah, we are the fastest installers in California when it comes to solar and battery. We really try and put our money where our mouth is and try and give that best overall service, not just the equipment, but getting this on your house quickly so you can save money as fast as possible.
So I know one of the biggest evolutions in Semper Solaris recently has been rebranding as Semper Home. Different services that you're providing, what does that include?
Windows, HVAC, roofing, solar and battery, obviously, attic insulation. We really want to take a look at your entire house and figure out not only how we can save you money on the electricity you're using, but also use less electricity to save you even more.
Right. So a lot of companies are out there providing these services individually. What makes Semper different in the way that you're able to bring this all together too? Yeah,
I mean, you said it. There's companies out there doing solar, there's other companies doing HVAC, other companies doing Windows, but we're one of the few that do everything together, and it's a really well-oiled machine to give you an opportunity to only work with one company on an entire home renovation or a home improvement project, as opposed to trying to coordinate with 3 or 4 different companies, and everyone knows that can be a headache.
Well, I mean, that really relieves the stress for the homeowner too, because there's nothing like working with all of these different contractors, all the different schedules, all the different appointments, and here you've got one point of contact and you guys are handling everything, right?
Yeah, we handle everything, all the permits, the installation, everything.
So for somebody that's thinking about making home improvements, and sometimes, we push that to the back burner, what's your advice to them?
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't let a small problem become a big problem. A lot of people, especially when it comes to a large electric bill, people don't realize how much of a liability it is to do nothing.
Right.
Get us out to your home, let us take a look at your electric bill, your HVAC, your windows, your roofing, everything like that. Make sure there's no imminent issues, but also let us show you how we can save you money. You're going to continue to buy electricity, you might as well pay a lot less for it.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, a lot of it is the awareness of the options, right? We think, oh, okay, we're stuck in this situation, we don't really have any options. Then when you guys come out and you explain what's available and the savings, wins over a lot of people.
Yeah, and just like that, a lot of people kind of write off, so, oh, it's too expensive. But when it comes down to it, it's not a new expense, you're replacing your existing expense, you're replacing your electric bill with cheaper solar payments. You are saving money immediately. It is not too expensive.
Taking control of the situation for you. Well, your co-owner, Kelly Sean, the inimitable Kelly Sean, he's in here regularly. We know he is a former Marine, and this is a veteran-owned company. Explain how it is that kind of translates to the way that you handle customer service.
Well, it's really important for us that it translates to the way we handle customer service, our installation, everything in our work. That hard work, honor, integrity, perseverance, everything like that. We bring that into every single project that we do, and we hope that our homeowners feel that and really recognize that not only are we veteran-owned business, but we walk that talk.
So let's talk a little bit about the speed. We touched on it. A lot of people suffering through a hot summer. Tell us how quickly we can at least schedule to get the process started.
Well, to schedule someone to come out to your house, I mean, give us a call and we can be out there either the same day or in a matter of days to give you a really good understanding of what options you have to tackle it. I think a lot of people watching just yesterday or today opened up their SDG&E bill and started freaking out because it's been so hot.
It's a great catalyst.
Yeah, right. Oh, I need to do something. Well, call us. We'll help you figure out what that is.
Appreciate it. You can also find them online at sempersolaris.com. We'll be right back with more of Good Business San Diego.